welcome to my shop again. Today I'm gonna fix one of the big problems with the chainsaws. As you can see, my MSA 200 battery power. It stuck in the wood when you cut, and maybe some of you know, maybe not, but this is caused by just a little bit of worn from the chain here on the bar, where the bar is connected with the chain. It causes it to wear, and with the wearing, the bar actually becomes a little wider right here, and it's something very sharp, and it stops the bar to going through the wood, and it causes your bar and your chainsaw to stuck, and you're wondering what's happening. Today I'll show you how to try to minimize this. So first things first, let's disassemble the bar from the chainsaw. It's very easy with this saw here, toolless, which is quite amazing. I love it. I can change my bars pretty easy without any tools. You just need a screwdriver, flat screwdriver here, and definitely we have to clean it afterwards. Now, I don't know if you can see it. Let's make it in focus. Right here, when I put my finger on it, I can feel that this is very sharp. Thankfully, it's not possible to hurt myself if I'm a little bit careful. So we are using only a square file, or in Bulgarian we call it flat file. Maybe like that. So we are trying just to remove a little bit of material from the bar here. See? Maybe later, if everything's fine, I'll show you the difference. This one, because it's a carving bar, it has really strong, hardened, forged tip, which makes it much harder to wear out. So I think here we have less work. If you have more work, it will be very hard for the file to do it. Pretty much. You can definitely feel the difference on the two materials when I change it from one to the other. But that's it, you need only the file for this to work. Actually, I've done this in the woods, not in the shop, when I'm not completely ready with my vise and everything. But as always, you have to have your square file with you in the forest. I can see the difference. Of course, try not to remove too much material, because your bar will wear out quite a lot. I'm sure I'll have met comments from pro Stihl and Husky's mechanics, but that's an easy fix that anybody can do. And it's not so dangerous, because you take everything off and you do it in the shop. Maybe I'll have quite a lot of work on the tip here, but when you do it on the ordinary bars, it's quite fast. Yeah, it's now starting to look good. It's really frustrating when you're in the forest and your bar starts sticking in the wood, not able to cut anymore, and it's quite dangerous actually, because you put too much force and you might hurt yourself or somebody around you. There is one more thing that is very good for you to do. Many of you must know about this hole here. This hole lets the oil from the tank, then from the pump, and then into the bar hole here. So the oil goes through this over here on the rail. It's good to clean it at least once a month. Depends how much you're working. It's quite nice. It's still new bar here. It's cleaned. Not so much trouble cleaning it. It's good to clean it because you will wear out your chain and your bar much easier. It's assembling time. Do you see well, guys? Okay. So yes, now here we are in focus. Much better. Now, see? Very easy mounting. normal for the chain to be always in some kind of their own world, never stay in line. Everything should be in line properly. Nice, and then we put back the housing here, or I don't know how you call it, last touch. Good tip here from Wrangler Star. You know, the bar always moves a little bit when you make the bar tighter. You push forward this to the plus sign clockwise, and you try to keep this up here, and then you tighten the main pivot. This is maybe a little bit loose, but with this saw it's not such a big deal. Battery. Let's try and see if we have luck with our fix. Let's try. I have to twist it a little bit so the camera won't be touched. Going much better in load. No immediate stops, but you see the battery is empty, so we have to charge it. Well, that's it for today. We're finished with our easy fix. As you can see, it runs the same way. Just when you cut through the wood, it's much better, and I can continue my work. Thanks for watching, and I'm thinking of changing the main bearing here, because for 3 years, you know, with quite a lot of work, it started to wear out. So I might make a video about it, so stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.